Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So, today I just want to come by, first of all, to wish you a wonderful Easter celebration. So, Easter for me is so much more special than any other Christian period that we have, just because Easter is a time that I just reflect on the incredible power of God and just what Jesus did for us on the cross. It is just a very significant time for me, and I'm so excited to come on here to wish you all a happy Easter. So if you're a Christian or if you're not a Christian, I just want you to just have all the wonderful feels that this period presents to us. And if you're a believer, I'm sure this is a very significant day for you. And I thank you so much for watching this channel. Appreciate you for being here. And yeah, so that's the first phase of this video. So the second phase is just um it is another okay, there is another thing that I am celebrating today, and that is the 10th anniversary of Oslove Organics. So that is a day for me that was very, very significant 10 years ago when I took the plunge to start my business. And it's just been there's been so much wonderful things that have happened over the years with this business. And I'm so grateful to God for making it even a possibility. And first of all, I just want to thank you for being here and for being a customer, because without you, there is no Oslove Organics. That's just plain and simple. So the fact that you are a customer, you bought into the vision that I have for the business, I just appreciate you, first of all. So I just want to go back to the reason why I started the business, which is because of my passion for natural beauty and just DIY beauty. Like when it comes to your hair, when it comes to your skin, I just believe in the idea of just having everything all natural as much as you can. Like there's some things that you may not be able to make yourself, but there's actually a lot that you can do for yourself. So nowadays we have several people focusing on just spending so much money on hair and on all sorts of things that you can have naturally on your own, like just grooming your own hair or just taking care of what God has given you. Basically, that is just the vision that inspired me to start my business 10 years ago. And I just thank God that it's still up and running. So there has been a few companies that I was working with in terms of they were my suppliers, and they were supplying me with some products, but some of them have gone out of business. So the fact that I'm still here, still running my business, still alive, and all of that is just because of God. And I just want to give God all that glory on this wonderful Easter day. And also, I'd like to extend some of my gratitude in true giving of gifts this period. So all the orders that we place on our website, osloveorganics.org, will get a free gift item. Yes, so I know when we partner with Yaya, sometimes we have giveaways, and some of these giveaways, not everybody's able to win something, and people just spend so much time joining the giveaways. So I decided that everybody is going to be a winner this time around. So you don't have to worry. As long as you order on the website, it doesn't matter what you order, you are going to get a gift item included in your bag. So you could just buy one coconut oil, which is $7.99, but you will still get the gift item. So that's just my way of saying thank you so much for watching and for subscribing to my channel and just being there with your encouraging words and just being there. It's just a lot, actually, when you have customers that also watch your videos, comment on your videos, and things like that. It's so appreciated. So I also have my Instagram page. If you want to have like an additional entry, you want to have an additional gift, then I would leave the rules of a special giveaway on on my Instagram page. So recently, there's been a lot going on in terms of online social media and things like that. Like I am not that big on social media. Actually, I attempted TikTok, and that was not that didn't work out. Just because when you sign in to like upload a video, there's so much distractions, and I'm like, okay, I can't do this. But I am on Instagram. I'm actually scantily on TikTok, but I'm not very active on TikTok. But on Instagram, I am quite active. So I upload videos on there, and I would have the instruction on joining the second giveaway, which is a more detailed one where you don't have to order on the website. You just have to repost one of the videos I will put on there, or post, I'm not sure, but whatever I put on there tomorrow, if you repost it, you will join that giveaway to receive the free ebook guide that I am launching on the 16th of April, which is our exact anniversary date. So I just hope you understood this, because I will reiterate it in the description section just in case you miss it. But the main idea here is just I just want people to repost that post on Instagram just so I can, because I don't know what's happening with the algorithm. Even my YouTube videos are not getting pushed. I don't know, what did I do wrong? Please comment and share these videos just so that like the videos can reach more people and I can get more customers, because I need to be in business for another 10 years, and I am definitely counting on you. Like, yeah, God uses people, but yeah, I'm counting on you guys to like help push the videos and like get my products out there, because my products are really great quality, and everybody that orders always comes back and gives good feedback. So that's just something I appreciate. And I'll just like you guys to help me share the word, and I mean, spread the word, but then share the videos and share the posts, just so we can get this thing out and just like help people. Because I feel like when it comes to hair, especially, like I know my hair is no longer where it used to be, but I still believe that I need to keep pushing, keep doing what I have to do, and not just turning into like artificial stuff, because then that just compounds the problem. Like, you don't want to compound the problem. You just want to build on what you have. So I just want to act like, okay, this is all I got. Like, I don't wear wigs, I don't wear weaves or whatever. This is all I have. This is the only accessory I have. So I have to do everything I can to make it work. That's why focusing on natural products for me is not just like something I do, but it's it's basically something that I have to do because I want to keep my hair. I want to keep growing my hair. I just want to keep managing what I have, because I can't afford some of the luxurious hair that people buy. Like, I can't even imagine. So I have that's me. I probably digressed, but I appreciate you for being here again, and I hope you have a wonderful, blessed Easter. And may the power of the resurrection resurrect anything in your life that is missing, or if it's a relationship, may that power of the resurrection restore your relationship, may it restore your business, may it restore your life, may it restore your health. If there's anything that you're struggling with, health wise, mentally, emotionally, may the power of the glorious resurrection, may it resurrect that in your life. And I just want to wish you a great Easter. He is risen, y'all. Let's celebrate. Like, I'm telling you, listen, Easter should be more celebrated than Christmas. I know Christmas is beautiful, there's a lot of decorations, but listen, Easter is the real deal for me. Like, that's when I feel like I can hold my head up high. You know what I'm saying? Like, Jesus died and he rose again. I gotta celebrate. And yeah, I'm just happy you're here once again. And I wish you a blessed day.